We're going to start by showing you all the specs in 1 minute, just to get them out of the way. We do this because for us, a product is much more than just the specs. It's about how every piece of hardware and software works together to create an experience that's greater than the sum of its parts. And that's what really excites us. But let's get ready for the specs. This is one of the most impressive spec sheets you're going to see this year. And there's quite a few things worth calling out here. The OnePlus 6 comes with the latest Snapdragon 845 processor and the Adreno 630 GPU. It comes with up to 8 gigabytes of RAM and up to 256 gigabytes of storage. On the networking front, it now supports 4x4 MIMO and dual SIM. The screen, it's 6.28 inches, and the camera now has both OIS and EIS. We heard you loud and clear on the OIS part. It comes with 16 and 20 megapixel dual cameras, both with apertures of f1.7. The phone is also water resistant to daily risks of splashes and weather. And yes, there's still a headphone jack. Okay, so those are the specs. And now, this is the OnePlus 6.